back, hope you're well. This is Miss Simon. Today's activity is very nice and simple. The aim of this activity is to recognize the letters, focusing on the sound of the letters, and also to work on your fine motor skills. For example, you could start writing your name, the letters, small or big, so it's a lot you can do. Now I'm going to introduce you to the materials you will need for this activity. I have one nice big white paper here. Again, it could be a small one or a big one. You could use recycling materials at home. Maybe if you have a cereal box at home, you could cut it open and you could draw the letters using a marker onto the cardboard or the paper like me. And you will need some paint. Again, any color paint. It could be red, green, orange, or you could have different ones, but I'm just choosing color orange today. And the main item for this activity is a cotton bud. You'll be using a cotton bud just to show you guys that mark making could be done with any items around the house. So I've chosen the cotton buds. You could use also cotton wool. You know the round cotton wools to dab? You could use that with paint. So I'm using cotton buds. First thing first, what you need to do is get your marker and to write. You need to write the letters onto your paper or your cardboard. Okay? It could be big letters or small letters. So I'm going to do a bit of a mixture. So we have big ones and small ones. Okay? So I'm going to turn this around. Now I'm going to use my cotton bud, dab it in paint, and using my hands and to hold the cotton bud like this, okay? Now this way you're practicing how to write. Maybe some of you will already know how to write your names. Maybe this could give you some extra help of doing some big movements and small movements, okay? So dab the paint onto the cotton bud, use your fingers, hold it like this to the end of the tip of the cotton bud and follow the letter. Another thing you can do, boys and girls, while doing this activity, you can sing the Jolly Phonic song. For example, E, is eggs in a pan, eggs in a pan, eggs in a pan, crack the egg like this, So boys and girls, once you've traced your letters like I have, you can use your imagination. You could do something silly with your letters, be more creative. I'm going to make some eyes and put a big smile on it, and I'm going to do a wing like this. Does anybody know what I'm trying to make here with my letter B is? Keep guessing. Well done. Try to make her B. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you soon. Bye.